There are no more lullabies in Gaza, only the rumbles of empty stomachs and the bombs that never stop.
وهذا ما كنت أتحدث عنه قبل لحظات أن الناس يصرخون الآن في شوارع غزة من شدة الجوع.
For over a year, the United Nations has warned a famine is looming over Gaza. But now it's here. And it's not a consequence of war, it's a weapon deployed by the Israeli occupation. The Israeli occupation has sealed Gaza's lifeline. Food is trapped at the borders. Convoys are delayed, denied, destroyed. If aid is delivered, it's not to save, not to feed, but to bait. And they run because they're starving, and they die because they're desperate. Hundreds slaughtered at so-called aid drops, trap sites where hunger meets bullets. Gaza, where children no longer cry. They're too weak to weep, they don't sleep, because the hunger gnaws at their bones and the sky never stops falling. This is not a famine of drought, this is a famine of siege. Deliberate, calculated, a policy of starvation enforced by tanks, drones, and soldiers, greenlit by the complicit powers of the world and executed by the Israeli occupation. The world knows, the reports are filed, the warnings issued. Still, the gates remain shut. How many more must starve before we call this what it is? Not a humanitarian crisis, but a war crime, a genocide by hunger.